Two Kerala nuns arrested in Chhattisgarh accused of forced religious conversion and human trafficking will remain in jail for now. The Durg Sessions Court today rejected their bail plea, saying that it had no jurisdiction since human trafficking charges had been invoked. In fact, the case will now move to the NIA court in Bilaspur. So that means it's a long haul for these two nurses. Back in Kerala, protests have erupted across Ernakulam and Thrissur. Church groups and political parties say that the arrests of Sister Preeti Mary and Sister Vandana Francis are unjust and part of a larger pattern of harassment against Christian minorities. In fact, the Kerala Latin Catholic Association had also staged sit-in protests, calling it an invasion of the constitution. Posters that read "Justice for Nuns" as anger really swelled across the state. Even in the parliament, we saw similar protests. These are visuals that came in from earlier today of people on the ground condemning this arrest of the nurses, saying it's, in a way, persecution of the minorities, basically targeting the minorities. But now a stunning twist has been reported, and this has come from a report by the Indian Express that claims one of the three tribal women who's been named in the FIR says that she was coerced into giving a false statement against these nuns. She claims to the Indian Express that she was threatened and assaulted by a woman linked to a right-wing outfit, and that the police simply acted on the inputs given by the Bajrang Dal members and filed a complaint. The controversy has now also exposed cracks within the BJP, because you have the Kerala state unit of the BJP now locking horns with Chhattisgarh BJP, state BJP, where Chhattisgarh says the police have done the right thing. Kerala says, no, these nuns are not culprits. They are not forcefully converting people. This is a wrong arrest. Well, Chhattisgarh Chief Minister also put out a tweet where he defended the action of his own police. Now, BJP's Kerala unit has publicly distanced itself from the Bajrang Dal, first of all, and also now taking on the Chhattisgarh Chief Minister. It seems like Rajiv Chandrasekhar himself, the BJP president in Kerala, has taken on Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Vishnu Singh Deo, saying that if need be, he will arrive in Chhattisgarh and ensure these nurses are let off. So now almost an ego battle between the two BJP biggies.